I had to zoom out because you're so big.
I know.
Fatty.
I get that a lot.
How to pump a plumper. I'm just kidding. Well, we're going to talk about John Shaft.
Y'all do realize these two motherfuckers are nuts.
30 years of it.
Yes, sir.
We were little. Anyway, so here, Burnsy's over here playing with John Shaft.
Yep.
Nice.
It's nice and long, skinny.
A little hard.
I want to play with John Shaft, please. Oh, no, I played with Joey Shaft, so I'm good. You can do this one, I promise.
Okay.
John likes it when you play with his shaft.
Oh, God. He's going to be like, you boys are nuts.
Oh.
I can hear his voice
Yeah.
saying it. He should do our voiceovers. That'd be funny. If we did voiceovers.
Oh, my God.
That would be great. Anyway, back to what we're doing.
Yes, sir.
Back to reality.
We're getting ready to...
Putting U-joints in because we finally found the right U-joints because every one that someone sells for an Avanti is not the right one. Shocker! Shocker. You know the shocker.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, anyway. So, Bernsey,
Yes, sir.
are you playing with joints while you play with John Shaft?
I am playing with joints. Got to massage them, get them in place,
Oh, yeah.
grease them up.
Oh, you got to lube. You're going to lube it?
I'm going to lube it.
I fucked up. I fucked your whole...
Dude.
Damn it. I touched it and it all fell apart. Fucked up the whole deal.
Damn, dude.
Oops.
Get in the hole. Well, got the rubber piece in that one still.
And don't forget your rubber.
Yeah.
I feel like we should be singing Can You Feel the Love Tonight?
The two times he forgot the rubber, he got kids.
That's okay.
Yeah, it's okay.
Great kids.
Great kids.
They
We're gonna plead the fifth about the rest of it though.
Come here, I'm jacked up right now.
If we say anything, you could get in trouble
Turn
with court. You want
Trying
me to turn your
a little
your
bit.
rod?
Yeah. Ooh, ooh.
They're slipping.
Yep.
All right, but we get the gist of it. The Burnsy's on this. It's gonna get the U-joints done, so that'll be out of our hair, thankfully. Look at all the brands that have transitioned to Spicer. Wow. All right, Burnsy's on the shaft. Gonna get this done together, clipped, handled. So that will be done. When John gets back into town, we do need to have a meeting on his engine. We definitely need to have a meeting on his engine. I'll give you the whole update on that.
Later.
You weren't here for that. So
Okay.
we'll review the tape. It's quite intriguing.
What happened here? Thank you.
All right, so carry on. We'll come back when you're almost done.
Okay, sounds good.
All right. Fucking, what is this, a union shop?
Yes, sir.
Jesus.
Shock! eBay!
For Scotty? Yes. Anyway, back over here with...
fucking rep showed up. No.
Oh, yeah, Ben walked in. Anyway, back here with the with John Shaft, and we were having problems with the U-joints on both ends, and of course, the correct U-joints, because we had a set of the same part number for the 56 Bird, and they fit just fine. We slipped it in. Scotty and I were like, "Oh yeah, that's bitching. That's the one." So guess what? Now we're misbehaving. So I'm gonna pull this apart.
Monday, fun day.
Monday fun day. It's definitely a freaking Monday. Burnsy's gonna go pull shaft out of a 66 Stang. I'm gonna continue on this because if anyone's gonna throw it across the yard, it's not gonna be Burnsy. It's gonna be me.
Not today.
Not today, Satan.
Exactly.